right, well, this is the garden area. This is the lawn. This is where the lawn will be. This here will be a nice seating area. If you just bring the camera over this way, this will be a nice seating area. Yeah, you happy with that?
Yeah.
So we will get the slabs and we will level it all off. It will come level with the sleepers. Yeah. Very nice.
Take me for a guided tour.
And then, if you just sort of follow me. These are the stairs. I don't know what that sleeper's doing there, but it don't stay in there.
Okay, Alan.
That sleeper's got to go.
Alright, Alan.
You've got to give this another kick and level it. It'll look nice. If you come down here, will be a
bed,
a flower bed, and then here's the lawn. Yeah, you've got that bit. Yeah.
Yeah, lawn.
Oh, you've got some things in there, haven't you?
Yeah, come on, guided tour.
Down here.
Gravel.
Step down here. These are steps, some more steps, and this leads you to the gravel area.
What's going to be on the left in the corner?
On the left in the corner, oh, we're going to have a summer house in the corner.
Yeah.
I'm trying to do a guided tour if you wouldn't mind. And yes, this will be the gravel area. And then yes, by the time it's done, it should look very nice.
Very nice.
And then we'll all have pictures with our Suburban Spaces t-shirts and a sign saying Suburban Spaces. Suburban. What's your neighbour? Oh, what's your neighbour? No, drink.